Hey everyone, it's Steve Slynn, Realtor with the Dan Plowman team. Welcome to our newest home for sale, 67 Dooley Crescent in Ajax. This 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom townhouse will not disappoint. Let's have a look, shall we? This fantastic open concept main floor features a huge kitchen that's opening to your dining room, that leads you to your main floor family room, that gives you access to your back deck and backyard. Upstairs, we have 4 bedrooms, including this massive primary bedroom, including double closets and its own ensuite. And down here you can see we have a fully finished walkout basement that offers a second kitchen, separate laundry, 3-piece bath, and a bedroom. Thanks again for joining me on the tour here at 67 Dooley Crescent in Ajax. To book your private showing, call the number up above, or for other great homes for sale like this one here, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below.